Vita ambayo tunaona kati ya Rigathi Gachagua na President William Ruto, they are not going to end and soon. This is something many Kenyans expected, especially the politicians. They knew that once Rigathi Gachagua is impeached, is done politically. Now today, I want to break down the deepening Ruto versus Gachagua political war and what it really means for Mount Kenya power, the government stability, and the 2027 elections. Is this just pressure and negotiations, or is it a full political breakup loading? Najua, yes, he was impeached, but akaamua kurudi kwa serikali, they sit down and talk, because the president right now is calling everyone waingie, waongee na wafanye kazi pamoja vile Wakenya wanataka.